Warning, this movie contains trains. Oh no! Doo-doo! Doo-doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. Done! Are you serious right now, bro? 2 minutes later. Hello, if you're experiencing internet troubles, please press 1. Boop. Please hold. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Many minutes later. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Many years later. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Sorry, but I did make that last part up. It does seem like years, though. Really, just 1 hour later. Hi sir, have you tried plugging out the router and plugging it back in? It was at this moment that he realized he made the world's biggest mistake. Later, on the television. Hello, do you like trains? Of course you do. Enjoy me to the Ashton train ride. Money, 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 money. Later. Many minutes later.